Well, in today's video, we're going to show you how to make the best turkey burger patty melt with caramelized onion and cheddar cheese. What we're going to do, we're going to start out by making our turkey patties just as you would regular patties. This is a perfect alternative sandwich for the classic cheeseburger patty melt. Turkey doesn't have to be eaten just on Thanksgiving anymore. Thanksgiving's over, so let's try something new. How about a turkey burger patty melt? Our ingredients today is going to be 1 pound of ground turkey meat. We've got yellow onion, 1 egg. We've got some butter for the caramelized onions. We've got a little Worcestershire sauce we're going to put in there. We're going to put some breadcrumbs in that also. And then we got, instead of the normal rye bread for the toast or rye toast, we're going to use the deluxe bunny bread sandwich bread. That's what I said, bunny bread. Hamburger buns with a little Dijon mustard on top of that. So I'm going to get started, roll up my sleeves here, and get started mixing this together. You guys ready? Let's go. Okay, the very first thing we're going to do, we're going to get our turkey, ground turkey in here. Going to crack us an egg. Put that in there as well. I'm going to add a splash of Worcestershire sauce, probably about that much right there. That's probably about a tablespoon. Then I've got some breadcrumbs here that a friend of ours gave us. We're going to add just about, probably half a cup or so of those. And we're just going to get ready and start to work this up. Just like that right there. And we'll get this worked up. We'll patty them up. We'll come back and show you what we're going to do with them here on the Lodge Reversible Grill Griddle. Well, I ended up putting a few more breadcrumbs in here because I had so much Worcestershire sauce in that egg. But anyway, we've got that all mixed up together. The only thing I added extra was a little salt and pepper. What you want to do basically is just get you one patty about like this. We got our Lodge Reversible Grill Griddle going here, and we're going to make us some patty melts here today. So just want to kind of patty those down there a little bit and lay them on there. And then we've got some onions here we're going to grill up. Saute them babies. We'll let these start to cook, and these onions caramelize, salt up a little bit. Well, I went ahead and patted the other two up so we can get everything cleaned up, and added the rest of my onions here, and I put a good little amount of butter in here with this. Let this melt down with these onions, and that'll help to caramelize these onions for our patty melt, for our turkey burger patty melt. Now these are starting to cook here. We're going to cook them now. I flipped them pretty quick. So we're going to cook these probably about 3 to 4 minutes, maybe 5 minutes on each side, just to make sure they're completely done, because you know, we want to make sure our turkey is at least 165 on the inside. It's kind of like chicken, so you certainly want to make sure your poultry of whatever kind, turkey or chicken or duck or whatever, I guess, needs to be at least an internal temperature of 165 degrees. So we sure don't want to eat any raw turkey, do we? No, we don't. We're going to let these continue to caramelize and get our burgers to cook up. Okay, well, these grilled onions, or caramelized onions, they're more or less grilled onions really. They're not really caramelized, but anyway, they were sauteed up in butter, and so they're done. We're going to get ready to pull them. But I'm going to check a couple of these turkey burgers. All right, that one there's 170, what is that, 175, so it's done. I'm going to let these other ones, I'll check them. Yeah, it's getting done too. They're all just about 165, 170. So we're gonna go ahead and just lay some cheese on these. How about a little cheddar cheese, please? All right, we'll let them begin to melt down on these, cut the heat back a little bit. And we'll pull our onions and we're gonna get ready and toast us up a bun. We'll let them cook a little bit. All we did, we just took a little butter. We're gonna lay that down here for our bun and get those toasted up while we let this cheese melt. When that gets done, we'll put it all together. We'll be back here and show you what these look like. Okay, well, our cheese is melted. So what I want to do next is just add me a little bit of Dijon mustard here. And we're going to put a few of those onions on top. And we're going to grab us one of these burgers here. And there you have a turkey burger patty melt, folks. We're gonna get ready and give this a try here. Folks, there you have the turkey burger patty melt with caramelized onions and cheddar cheese. We're gonna give that a taste. Look at that. That looks so good. Wow, that is really good. You know, folks, turkey doesn't have to just be eaten on Thanksgiving. You can make all kind of turkey dishes, and this turkey patty melt is a quick dish you can make anytime you want to. And man, it's so good and delicious. And we're going to get us a bite here and try to finish us some lunch. Hey, YouTube has placed a video right here specifically for you. Click on that and we'll see you guys over there. Y'all have a great day. It's Mr. Cast Iron. We'll see you. Bye-bye.